Hey guys, welcome to brosmart, and in this video I'm going to answer some of your questions. So you can say that this is a little Q&A video and I'm doing this for the first time, and let's see how it goes. Well, I was sitting in my home doing nothing, so why not making a Q&A video? Though I answer or reply to all your comments, but still making a video makes answering much easier. Sandeep Chandrasekhar, I never saw a person and commenting on all my videos like this, and I really love this, and thank you for your support. So the first question will be, how old are you? I'm 16, and this October 2018, 18th October 2018, I will be 17 years old. The most question asked on my Nikon B500 review video is which camera is better? Is it Nikon B500 or Canon SX430? Well, I'm planning to make a video on Canon SX30 versus Nikon B500 because there are a lot of questions like this, and I am not going to answer all of them because the answers are same. So I'm going to make a video in this week, so subscribe and press the notification bell and wait for the video. The next question is from Devan DV. He is asking, bro, please tell me about your CPU and which video software do you use? So I use the Adobe Premiere Pro 2018 version, and my PC is very old. I made a video on my setup, I will link here. I will recommend channels like iGyan, and you can search on YouTube top PC builds under 20k or 60,000 rupees, and they will show you the entire build because my computer is very old, around 5 years old, and all the parts in this box is old, so this will not work. Even while editing, sometimes my entire software shuts down and I have to edit the video again, so that's my headache, and that's why the videos comes late in my channel. Next question from Tech Yaru. He is asking, where are you from? I'm from Kolkata. Another question a lot of you ask, why I'm not making videos in Hindi, because my Hindi is not that good. I can speak Bengali fluently and I can speak English little bit, but I can speak English anyways, but I cannot speak Hindi properly, and if I make Hindi in, you will understand nothing, so I avoid making videos in Hindi and I make videos in English. Next question is, agar koi mistake, so I think he is asking that, or okay, I will answer this in Hindi, you can understand how my Hindi works. तो अगर आपको वो निकलना चाहता हो, अगर आपको वो वॉल से वो जो वॉल स्टिकर रिमूव करना चाहता है, तो आप आसानी से थोड़ा पानी रब कीजिए वॉल में और थोड़ी सी क्या कहते हैं पील करके वो निकाल दीजिए, तो आपका वॉल बिल्कुल भी ख़राब नहीं होगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज टेक्निकल डिजिट. ये पूछ रहा है, एक फोकस का वीडियो हिंदी में बना दो. का थोड़ा आइडिया है मेरे हिंदी कैसा है, मैं इतना फ्लुएंटली नहीं बोल सकता हिंदी. Next question is from Noyan Das. He is asking, can we put any extra lens on Nikon B500? No bro, you cannot put any extra lens because you cannot just take out the existing lens from the camera. It is fixed permanently on the camera. For example, if you are trying to mount a 50mm lens onto the Nikon B500, you cannot do that. You have to take it out, which is impossible. You cannot take out the lens and put another lens on it. Another question from Tech Yaru. Brother, make Hindi in video, you will go. So people like you and Sandeep are always supporting me and liking my videos and commenting below in the comment section. So yeah, that motivates me a lot, and that's why I'm making this video. Even I get 50 views per video, but still I love to make videos, and for you guys I make the videos. Okay, so the next question will be, very nice bhaiya, I bought the same from Shopcubes for 72 rupees. So congratulations. So this was on my wall sticker video. She bought a wall sticker like this. So this wall sticker, she upload a photo of the wall sticker and tag me on Instagram so that I can like the photo. Next question from Andy Gaming. This is actually my friend, my school friend. So he's asking, make a video on FPS gaming. Yeah, I am working on that. I made a list and I will be posting that video on the next month, so wait for it. Next question from Chiru. He is asking, hi pro, which is the best, B700 or B500? Well, B700 have 4K recording ability. Ask yourself that do you need 4K? Well, again, I didn't use the B700, so I will always recommend the B500, because if you are starting under 16,000 or 15,000, B500 will be an awesome camera for you, and you should definitely try that camera. Next from Anand Sharma, you can read the comment here. All the apps by Nikon are not that great. If you are using a Canon camera, the Canon apps are really good, and you can easily transfer photos from a Canon camera, for example 200D, to your phone using the Canon app, which is really good. But if you are doing the same with a Nikon camera like the Nikon B500, the SnapBridge app doesn't work. When I bought this camera for the first time, I started using the SnapBridge app, and it really worked well. But for few days, whenever I wanted to transfer my photos from the camera to my phone, it displayed that Wi-Fi network is not authorized or something like that. Don't use the SnapBridge app because it's useless. So anyways, you can use the wire to transfer the photos. Next question is from Railholic Nas05. भाई HD full वीडियो शूटिंग के लिए परचेज कर सकता है? हाँ बिल्कुल. This camera can easily record 1080p videos at full HD, and most of my past videos are shot using the Nikon B500, so you can trust me and buy the camera under 20,000 budget. तो next question is मेरे पास Nikon L810 है. So it's same, you have to press on the focus button, which is this one. You have to press on the focus button and focus and zoom in a little bit to focus. तुषार सनी सर, hey bro, ये आपका न्यू कैमरा है? हाँ मेरे न्यू कैमरा है, Canon 200D. Okay, so that was the questions. If you enjoyed watching this video, then do like and share this video with anyone you want, and subscribe to the channel if you are new for more interesting tech videos just like my other videos, because this wasn't a tech video. Anyways, thanks for watching. This is brosmart, and I hope to see you in my next video.